In Indian mythology, 5 prominent female characters have long influenced the Indian woman. They have deeply influenced the way we think, the way we act, and maybe even at a subconscious level, how we operate out of our homes, our workplaces, and even as mothers. Let me tell you a bit about these 5 women. We have Sita, the heroine of Ramayana, who is the virtuous wife of Ram. We have Draupadi, the heroine of Mahabharata, who is the wife of the 5 Pandavas. We have Mandodari, a lesser known character who is the wife of Ravan, the demon god, the king of Lanka. We have Ahilya, who is the wife of sage Gautam. And we have Tara, the wife of Bali, the tyrant monkey king who usurped the kingdom of Kishkanda. Now we have grown up listening to stories of their values and their virtues and their valor. And the Indian woman, I believe, has somewhere imbibed this Panch Kanya, or the 5-woman theme inside. For instance, we have Sita's patience and tolerance that comes across very strongly, like a sponge which soaks in all the stress. We have Draupadi's fire, we have her anguish, her anger, and the revenge she nursed in her heart. In fact, on a lighter side, they say that the curse of a virtuous woman can destroy the most powerful of men. We have Mandodari, the wife of Ravan, who lived a life of duality. A turbulence on the outside of various experiences that she went through, and a deep silent core inside her soul. The silence in which wisdom arose. Then we have Ahilya, the woman who turned into stone. And they say that like Ahilya, Indian women have a strong dormant power in their psyche. They have the strength to move like the wind, and they also have a great compassion to forgive the wrong done to them. Then we have Tara, who had a special luster of her own. She had a sacred place in the entire vastness of space. Now, we as women in this niche, we spread these virtues and values that we stand for. And women leaders in the workplace in India today, I feel, somewhere display values and virtues which they have imbibed from these stories. I urge women leaders to introspect on what has made them who they are, and introspect on facets of their leadership style. And from there will begin a journey of improvement. Thank you.